I stopped spending $500 per photoshoot and started using AI to create model images instead. This completely changed how I run my e-commerce store. If you're selling online, you already know this. Hiring models is expensive, time-consuming, and hard to scale. Every new product means another shoot, more editing, more delays. And if your images aren't consistent, your store just doesn't convert. So here's what I do now. I let AI wear my products. Step 1. Upload your clothing image. Step 2. Add a simple prompt. Step 3. Choose a model and scene. Step 4. Click Generate. Now you get multiple model photos instantly. But here's the part most people don't talk about. AI images are not ready to upload. You get wrong formats, inconsistent sizes, blurry details, and sometimes watermarks. If you upload these directly, your store looks unprofessional. First, I fix all formats in one go. Different platforms require different formats. This is exactly why I use UniConverter. You can grab it from the link below and do this in one click. Then I enhance all images at once. Sharper textures, better lighting, more premium look. And if there are watermarks or artifacts, I remove them in bulk. The key here is batch processing. If you run a store, you don't have time to fix images one by one. This is what actually improves your conversions. If you're selling online, this workflow will save you time, money, and scale your business faster. Use AI to create your images and UniConverter to make them actually sell. This is how small stores compete with big brands.